Hello and thank you for working here at Duquesne Elementary. I'm Brad Langerman with Steritor Sanitary Supply Company. And joining me is
Vicki Malloy, Duquesne Custodian.
Christian McDonald, Duquesne Custodian.
In the following segment, you're going to learn about the procedures used in cleaning and disinfecting our classroom desks and tables. Because of high usage every school day, classroom desks can be a breeding ground for germs, including bacteria and viruses. It is an important responsibility of Duquesne custodians to properly clean and disinfect desktops to protect our students. To ensure efficiency, always have products ready for tasks to be completed, including disinfectant, dual blend number 19 lavender, microfiber cleaning cloths or flex wipes, and 3M easy eraser when needed. When using top bucket system, fill bucket with number 19 lavender disinfectant through dual blend dilution dispenser. Accurate disinfectant level can be verified by using quat pH test strips. Dip strip in solution for 2 seconds. Color change should be to a fair shade of green or 400 to 600 parts per million. Compare color to chart. Always wear gloves to protect yourself from germs and chemicals. To begin cleaning procedures, saturate microfiber cloth with disinfectant, wringing out by hand. Cloth should be wet but not dripping. Microfiber cloths remove more soil and germs because of the tiny synthetic fibers. Always fold cloth to ensure a clean side when wiping. Use proper agitation, flip sides as needed, and finish with one-way strokes. This will remove more germs. The top bucket system will allow for proper dwell or germ-killing time. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, who oversees the use of disinfectants in our country, all disinfecting products have a required dwell time. Change bucket solution as it becomes visibly soiled. You cannot clean with dirty water. Also, please remember to clean sides of desks. If using a spray and wipe system, use properly measured disinfectant in a trigger spray bottle. To allow for ample dwell time, spray each desk in a classroom before starting cleaning of desks. The longer a surface remains wet with disinfectant, the more germs that are killed. As with any cleaning, always fold cloth and wipe desk in one direction. Flip sides after every couple desks. Make sure spray bottles are always properly labeled for safety reasons. And use personal protection equipment, including gloves. You can also use disposable flex wipes for cleaning and disinfecting desktops. Flex wipes are pre-saturated with disinfectant. Fold wipe to use. Flip sides when soiled while cleaning desk surfaces. Always wipe clean in back and forth and one-way strokes. Dispose of wipe when completely soiled or dry. And please remember, here at Duquesne Elementary, we always clean for health first, because healthy school buildings and healthy desks mean
Healthy learning.
And healthy kids.